Ever found yourself stuck in a sales rut? Maybe you're having trouble getting your message across or you're struggling to overcome objections. It's not uncommon, but what if we told you there's a way to make these challenges a thing of the past? Enter the world of a sales professional we'll call James. James was good at his job, but he knew he could be better. He had the drive, the ambition, but something was missing. He felt like he was hitting a wall when it came to closing deals and creating value for his clients. Then he discovered the Butler Street Sales Effectiveness Program. This program, designed by sales professionals for sales professionals, is a comprehensive skills-based training course that uses a unique blend of proven processes and cutting-edge AI technology. It's all about enhancing your messaging, prospecting results, and overall sales effectiveness. For James, it was a game changer. Starting with the 4 cornerstones of success, learning how to understand his client's operating reality, and how to create and communicate value, and master targeted messaging. He honed his questioning skills and discovered effective strategies for overcoming objections. James started to see results. His sales improved, his client relationships strengthened, and he was more productive through his use of AI. He was not just good at his job, he was excelling. James's story could be your story. Butler Street's Sales Effectiveness Program doesn't just improve your sales skills, it transforms them. Whether you prefer an online learning program, virtual leader-led weekly sessions, or on-site in-person training, we have a delivery option that suits your learning style. So, are you ready to break through your sales barriers? Are you ready to take your sales effectiveness to new heights? The Butler Street Sales Effectiveness Program is here to guide you every step of the way. Don't wait for success to come to you. Reach out and grab it. Get started with Butler Street Sales Effectiveness Program today and start writing your own success story.